Hello and welcome to today's edition of the Boston BioLife Innovation Series. My name is Joseph Krieger, and today we have the pleasure of meeting with Sean McDonald and Roland Hillermann of the Magic Dichol Corporation. Magic Dichol distributes products from the name of Nanosomal and others. And so, gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. We look forward to learning about Magic Dichol and also having you participate in the upcoming AIMS conference, which is happening October 24th through the 26th in West Palm Beach.
Thank you. It's great to be here. My name is Sean McDonald. I'm the General Manager for the Americas Division of Magic Dichol. My colleague, Dr. Roland Hillermann, is also with us, and he is the General Manager of the European and United Kingdom divisions of Magic Dichol. Pleased to be here, and we're really excited to be sponsoring the AIMS Symposium in October, and we'll have our entire global executive team there on hand to meet all of the attendees.
So tell us a little bit about Magic Dichol and the innovative technologies that you guys are bringing to the cosmetic aesthetics and the health and wellness market.
Roland, I'll let you go ahead and take that.
Yeah, well, the company Magic Dichol is about 5 years old, and it was founded by Dr. Richard Press of Melbourne. When he discovered these wonderful nanosoma products, he realized that it was his mission to get this product available around the world to as many people as possible. Briefly, we have three products. The first is the core daily support product. It's called Nanosoma Liquid. It is a liquid spray which you just spray into your mouth, very easy to take, and it supports the body from the inside out and from the cellular level up, patented across the world in about 80% of the populated globe. The active ingredient is patented under the name of Dichol. It's a nanoemulsion of polycolcinol, which is a series of long-chain lipid alcohols found in unrefined food and plant life. When presented in the body, this active ingredient, due to its extremely small size, penetrates and reaches the nucleus of every cell in the body. When that happens, the body begins to take care of itself in ways we've never imagined possible. And we're going to go into this more in the symposium, and we look forward to meeting all you guys here. Sean, we have two more products. Do you want to talk about those?
Certainly, thank you. The other two products in the line are based on the foundation product that Dr. Roland just talked about, the Nanosoma Liquid. The second product in the line is Nanosoma Topical Gel. Now, this is an identical formulation to the liquid. However, we add a little edible xanthan gum to it, and it thickens the liquid into a gel, which makes it much easier for topical application. And this supports any issues with your skin or its overall skin health, whatever that may be. And then we have the Nanosoma Skin Cream. Now, this is a little bit different. This is formulated from the gel, and this becomes a beautiful topical water-based moisturizer cream. It is an incredible texture. It has the same active ingredient at the same concentration. So people love this product, both men and women, as a moisturizer cream for their face skin, for the neck area, backs of your hands, areas where our skin is considerably more delicate, if you will. And one of the really outstanding aspects of this particular product, the skin cream, is that because it has that same nanoemulsion of polycolcinol, one of the patents that applies to this, is a full patent, is that when this active ingredient is present in our body, either internally or in our skin, our bodies as human beings begin to make their own endogenous vitamin C. Now, that's a full patent, and that is quite remarkable in and of itself. When you use this skin cream, that vitamin C production happens in the cells of your skin. And as we know, vitamin C builds collagen. We literally see fine lines and wrinkles begin to smooth, age spots begin to fade, and it's water-based, so it's truly hydrating your skin. It is an amazing product.
I think it's amazing what you guys are doing, and it fits in very well with the culture today where people are looking for more natural alternatives to legacy problems like skincare, and we see this across many spectrums of medicine. You have the I Want My Health Back program, and this seems to dovetail very well with what people are doing about basically biohacking, longevity, anti-aging, all the different movements that are happening in the communities and in healthcare where people are just trying to live longer and look better.
Indeed, we're very excited to have brought this movement forward. I Want My Health Back. It is a concept that resonates with an endless amount of people as people are trying to find natural ways of bringing their health back to balance and support. And we have this movement. Website is called iwantmyhealthback.com. And we began about a year and a half, coming up on 2 years ago, working with online influencers to share this concept and these products with our audience. Now, we do that in a unique way. We ask these influencers who are a good fit with this movement to simply use our products, have their experience, which in some cases has been very, very profound, and then simply talk to their audience about it. I've gone on and done a number of shows, conversations. We help people understand what these products are. We take a deeper dive into them. People resonate with that. They try these products, and they have their own experience, and they begin telling everybody they know about them. And that's truly how our company has grown globally, is through real people having real outcomes and sharing that experience with other people.
Well, I think it fits in well because the overall movement that we see is that people want to not only live healthier lives, but they want to live more quality lives and look better as well. And beauty is the Trojan horse of anti-aging and longevity, because people will go in the pursuit of beauty, only discover that beauty has to be coming from the inside out. So things that deal with metabolic disease, inflammation, the biochemistry of health and wellness in general. And what your product, in my opinion, does very nicely is it takes that same concept and adds it into the regular regime that patients are used to using, skin creams and looking for ways to mitigate fine lines and wrinkles, but it's doing it in a more organic sense and with a real true biochemical mechanism.
Absolutely. Roland, would you like to talk a little bit further about that? And also maybe your experience as a 30-year naturopathic doctor and how you integrated these products into your practice before you joined us full time.
Yeah, so I was going to go into that. Thank you, Sean. I've been in naturopathic practice, or I was, for about 30 years. When I discovered nanosoma, I have to say it was something that I hadn't seen before, because it addresses so many things. I could almost give it to every patient. Almost all of them would see some form of improvement and more improvement over time. As Sean was saying, that it helps your body recycle the vitamin C, but it also activates vitamin D, and it does a lot of things which we have a lot of research on. And we have wonderful testimonials from our patients addressing all sorts of chronic inflammation and other issues that they had. What we also can say, and what the research shows, is that it is truly anti-aging and that it lengthens the telomeres of our chromosomes, which is an indication of biological age. The inventor of the product, Dr. Raghavan, I think he's now 72. Sean, correct me if I'm wrong. I think he's about 72, and his biological age is below 50. I think it's about 47 or something. And he's been taking it for about 10 years. I can confirm that out of my own experience and of the many testimonials that we get sent every day from our happy customers.
And I think one of the advantages of your product right now in the field is that it's being combined. People look at biohacking technologies, but nothing really works by itself. Nothing works for everybody, and nothing really works quickly. But if you combine things, so that's the integration part of functional medicine, right? To integrate different ideas. And when you look at things like red light and sauna, vascular health, we look at the different hyperbaric oxygen, anything that has to do with gas exchange, and then combine that with a product like yours, which is really leveraging the assets of the liposomal technology for bioavailability and distribution to the skin. I think your product really will resonate more now, certainly in an environment like we're going to have at the AIMS conference, because what we're doing is we're bringing the concepts of functional medicine to a very established group of healthcare providers, people that have been looking at the health and wellness of the skin, whether it's from a cosmetic surgical standpoint or just an aesthetics or even a med spa standpoint. Everybody is concerned about their skin for lots of reasons, whether they want to look better or they believe it's a healthy thing to do because of UV exposure, et cetera, or even other chemicals. But your product really fits in better now with this group of other technologies, complementary technologies. And I think you'll find at the Boston BioLife AIMS conference event that there's a lot of synergy between what you're doing and what, say, a lot of the other vendors are doing as well.
Yeah, I think that's exactly right, Joe. It's rare to think of a one and done in terms of coming into health balance. It's generally a wheel or a pie. There's many elements to it. And I think it's going to be very exciting to share in a deeper dive with the practitioners and professionals that are going to be at AIMS, that when you integrate our products and you're already using other modalities that prompt the body to accelerate that wellness path, you're just going to get a supercharge effect, really. You're going to have quicker outcomes, more noticeable outcomes, and it's very easy to integrate. In fact, one of the things we're really excited about at the AIMS conference, we're going to do a presentation that takes a deeper dive into the products. And we are excited to have Dr. Rupachari with us. And she is an integrative medical practitioner doctor in Florida. So it's convenient for her to be there. Now, she's been a reseller of ours nearly since the beginning of the company and was founded, and we brought these products forward. She has a lot of experience. It's fully integrated into her practice, and her experience as an MD using these products, along with other things that she works with her patients on, she's had tremendous success, both from a patient outcome and the business aspect of it. So we're really excited to have her there, where she will share her experience from those perspectives, how to integrate it and how to use that with other modalities.
And one of the things that we're offering at the AIMS conference is the ability to integrate directly with the vendors through hands-on learning. We're going to have an entire aesthetic skin breakout room, and there'll be lasers and microneedling and exosomes and PRP. Basic science of regenerative medicine will be taught in there, and that'll be a great place for you guys to kind of show off how you complement those other modalities. And we look forward to having you participate in the meeting and really think that what you're doing fits in very well with the landscape. And I think products like yours are going to benefit our users, because the people that come to these meetings looking for answers really, in a lot of cases, get a lot of information from a lot of different directions without really any unifying theme. So it's up to them to kind of take the pieces of the puzzle and to integrate the functional components so that they match their practice and their patients. And I think this event is going to really help you pull it all together, whether you're just a functional medicine doctor and you want to learn the basics of gas exchange, vascular health, hormones, and peptides, or you're an aesthetics professional and you're looking to upgrade into lasers or microneedling or exosomes. A product like yours, I think, benefits all these folks. And again, it really helps to have companies like yours and professionals like you guys coming to really help thread that needle and help take those intentions from the healthcare provider and make them a reality for their patients.
Yeah, Roland, you want to respond?
Absolutely. We also look forward to talk about nuances and answer questions, because there'll be a lot of different doctors and practitioners there doing all sorts of varied things. The NanoSoma will match up with many of them, and I'm sure we'll find some synergies with many of our colleagues there, and I really look forward to that.
Yeah, absolutely. And there'll be a bunch of PhDs and a lot of technology providers. We always find complementary relationships at our events where different technology providers will refer products for each other and to their existing clients. And it's really a community of like-minded individuals. And we're welcoming you to be there. We're looking forward to having Magic Dichol and your team at the 2025 AIMS conference in West Palm Beach. That's October 24th to the 26th. And really appreciate you taking the time to do this innovation series. We really think that what you're doing is great, and we look forward to having you in West Palm Beach and really appreciate you supporting Boston BioLife.
That's great.
Thank you so much, Joseph.
Yeah, thank you so much, Joe, for having us on.